Alright, so if you're watching this video, what it means is you've already downloaded the fall project requirements, you've read them, you've understood them, and you are prepared to move on to the next step. So the next step would be to download the video notes template into your own OneDrive so that you have your own version of the handout, so that we're not all working on the same document. And again, I'm going to copy it to my OneDrive. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the tech folder, and then copy here. Once it's copied, I'm going to navigate over to it. And I really prefer to keep my tabs open so that I can kind of jump between different tasks that I'm working on. So here I am in my OneDrive, I know because it has a little cloud icon, and I'm going to open up the document that I just copied to here. So the video notes template, I'm going to open that up. And you see now I have several tabs open, including the fall project. Alright, so it says save a copy of these into your fall project subfolder within your technology folder. So when you're done, you're going to let me know. The steps of this are to choose the TED Talk that you're going to focus on and watch it through once without taking notes. So it's important that you just watch it and get the gist of it without being worried about taking notes. And then after you've watched it through and the video is over, you're going to do a quick reflection. After you finish the reflection, go back and watch the TED Talk again. This time take notes using the template. And when you're done with those notes, you have one more reflection and you're going to begin to organize your thoughts for your poster that you're creating. So this template is right here, and the steps are mapped out on the left side, and the prompts for notes and reflections are on the right side. So step 1 is to watch the video without taking notes, and then the post-video reflection is what is the message of the video, and why is this message important? Once you complete that, you go back and watch the video again, and this time take some notes. So what are some key words that come up in this video? What are some statistics? What are some visuals? And how else does the speaker make their point? I'm going to add a little space in because that bothers me. You're welcome to watch this video a couple times. You can pause it, you can turn up the volume, you can turn down the volume, you can add subtitles. You're welcome to do whatever you need in order to make this video accessible and to make sure that you get the information that you need. After you're done, you're going to reflect on, okay, what did I notice? How did the speaker engage the audience? And what did I find the most engaging? And then the last thing, you're going to begin to organize your thoughts in your poster. So keywords that your poster is going to have, what are images your poster should have, and what are colors you want to use. If you want to see what a completed one looks like, I have mine here. And I did the TED Talk by Carol Dweck on the power of believing you can improve. I put the URL here too. And here it is. So the message of the video. And I'm writing in complete sentences here, but you don't have to. If you are more comfortable using bullet points and writing keywords or phrases, I'm all right with that as long as you're able to interpret your notes. Go with what works for you. So if you want to keep checking this out, it's all here. Notice I listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all of these are on the visuals in the video, and I did wind up pausing and rewinding a few times in order to get all of this information. I didn't get this with just one time through. In fact, I think I wound up actually watching this video 3 times through. All of your videos are less than 10 minutes. And then I thought about how does Professor Dweck engage the audience, and then some words that I want my poster to have are growth mindset, learning development challenges. The images was interesting. There's some abstract concepts that we'll have to represent, and so I wanted to think about how am I going to represent learning or, difficulty and mistakes. All right, let me know if you have any questions, but if you're on this stage, I want you to go back to the SharePoint page, click on TED Talk Video Options, and then go ahead and decide which one you want, and you can watch a couple before you make your final decision. All right, have fun.